Want to unlock the power of automated conversations and supercharge your business growth? Let's dive into creating your Manychat account. First, head over to Manychat.com. You'll see a big, friendly Get Started free button. Click it. Now, Manychat needs to connect to your Facebook account. Don't worry. This is standard practice. Click Continue with Facebook. You'll see a list of Facebook pages you manage. Select the page you want to connect to Manychat. This is the page your chatbot will be interacting with. Next, Manychat will ask for permissions to manage your page and send messages. This is essential for your chatbot to work. Review these permissions carefully. Then click Manage and access page conversations in Messenger, and then click Next and then click Down. Facebook will confirm that you've linked Manychat to your page. Click OK to finalize the connection. Now, Manychat will guide you through a quick onboarding process. Answer the questions to help Manychat tailor the experience to your specific needs. This helps them understand your business better and recommend the best features. Congratulations! You're now inside your Manychat dashboard. You can explore different chatbot templates, create your own flows, and start automating your conversations today. Welcome to the world of chatbot marketing.